race though. We've arrived. Just like that, it's gone. So I purchased this heavily used Porsche 911 a few months ago, and I'll admit, it's not in the greatest condition. Rock chips, torn axle boot, and a check engine light. Most would even run away from a project like this, but me, I ran in the garage, threw on my cape, and decided she was worth saving. We have arrived. Shop CT, that'll be taking care of some of the major services for me, because you boys at 100 and something else, and I don't feel like doing it myself. I want to make sure that that's all taken care of, so that when I redline this bad boy, I launch it, I do everything. It's got a clean bill of health, everything is fine. You see, check out that lineup. Super. I bet you there's not a 10-second car in this lineup. It's like the Batmobile. This thing is a menace. I love the way it looks too. Man, in the cut. Man, no grills. Yeah, it is a menace too. Which one do you guys like better, the Supra or the 240s? The Porsche and the Supra. The Porsche definitely look way better. Damn, okay. The Porsche is nice. I don't know what I want to do. Would I want to get a Supra? Do I want to save my money, dump the Carrera, get a turbo? What do I want to do? Man, E34? Whew. That's nice. Just like that. Back on foot. Take 45,000, 5,200, 13, 25, 92 hut. So initially I picked up the car from Wixom, which was an easy buying process, but the after was pretty terrible. Immediately threw a check engine light, no sputtering, no misfires, nothing like that. So fast forward to now, got the car back from the shop CT. In my hand, I have the bill on how much everything costs. And here we go. 1,900 freaking stinking US dollars and 26 cents. Right here was the majority of the work. So when I got that check engine light, that code was a P24D6, and this is some sort of evap vent valve line where this goes to the turbo and that goes somewhere up in the evap system, which is supposed to recirculate some stuff. Now, what fails in these things typically is this check valve. Well, not this one specifically, but this check valve. Now, in all honesty, it could have worked. I don't know, forever. And to be honest, I already bought the part. I put the part number down below. I just didn't feel like changing it once I seen that it was heavily involved, which required lowering the freaking engine. Now we have the car back in the garage. There's one more thing I want to address. Whew. Man. She's rusty. Here is tip number 1. Nothing too special, nothing too fancy, but she'll get the job done. So I decided to go with a single wall tip. I don't know if you guys heard me in the previous videos, but I really want this thing to look like the Turbo S tips, which unfortunately, I'm not sure how close I'm gonna be able to get to it because I noticed that the Turbo S tips kind of slant and they're cut straight. I may even do it with this one. We'll see in the future, but I just want to throw this tip on and see how it looks. Oh my God, this looks like such a freaking rice mobile. Fully warmed up yet, but I'm so glad to have this thing back, man. Back on the road. I don't know how clear it's coming on the GoPro. Yo, it's like it must be understood that it's just a different experience. That's pretty much what it is, man. A 9.9 is faster than a 10.5. You know, for example, there's no way you could switch it around and we go off of, oh my God, if that runs a 10.5 and then this runs like a 9, whatever case may be in like drag racing terms, then this must feel better than that. And like, bro, that is not true when it comes to like Porsches. I don't know what it is, bro. Like, whew, it's scary. Like, you feel everything. One thing this car does, I think is pretty cool. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but when you downshift, the turbos will spool back up. Like, let's say you hear the turbo boost, then you hear no turbos. When it goes, and it's like ready. So like, as soon as you hit it, it's like right back there, right back on it. See, look. Oh. Yo, this car is freaking insane. Woo! Verbals. You see what I'm saying? This car scares me. This car scares me. Come on, you are way over the lines, my boy. Y'all gotta learn how to drive. Okay, so I'm giving it a second shot. I don't know exactly how it looks out in the wild. Maybe it looks a little bit better. Maybe the ground's a little bit leveler. I haven't turned around yet. I mean, you guys can see it first, but I mean, I'm almost scared. I wanted to be so proud of it. It actually doesn't look that bad. If I squat down right here, I mean, if I can push the tips up just a little bit, it really won't look that bad. Like, let me zoom in for you guys or walk up. As you get up, I mean, I think I'm onto something. It does look a little naked right here, I will admit. So maybe if I cut it, with a single wall design, I can cut it and it won't really mess anything up. I haven't seen this done before, and that's kind of why I wanted to do it. I just get so tired of like mods that look like everyone else's. I kind of wanted to do something different, create my own little path or style. I gotta get this car washed. It is filthy, like just take a look at it. I can write wash me but I'm not gonna disrespect my car. You know what? I wanna see how it looks with the wing up. Oh man, it looks even just that much better. Like you got, I don't know, I'm like mixed on it. Sometimes I look at it, I'm like what the hell? And other times I look at it, I'm like, not bad. I can't wait till the wheels come. The wheels are coming Wednesday. I gotta order the tires. I haven't ordered the tires yet, but we're gonna set this thing off nice. They're 20s, they're 2-piece, and you've never seen them before. Like, they've never been on any car. That's because I designed it myself. We teamed together. Pretty expensive. This stuff is adding up a lot, but I'm having so much fun, and I think this car just might be one of the best builds that I've ever done in my life. Ran into my guy BRG on the commute home. I think it's real proper. Look at him. Cruising with the hips out and the little burblies. Let me show you how big Loke Dog walk him down. Show you how big Loke Dog walk him down. Yo! You're not trying to race though. You're not trying to race though. Oh man, he's looking clean, looking clean. Come on, oh nah, he ain't ready, he ain't ready. I didn't have it all the way in sport. That's really what it was. I didn't have it in sport. It's in sport now, but I'm gonna just hang out because I'm not trying to mess up my MPGs. Dang. See what this bad bitty's hitting for. Oh man, yo. Look at this, taking the corners, hugging them in the X tree. You know what I'm saying, my boy? He inactivated a brother. Look at that, Oh man, just be my luck. The trooper only be looking for me out here. The bump's a little crazy. The X3 M30. I need to get me an M badge. I really do. Give me one of them. I don't want no big smoke dog to miss my exit. Nah, but car's looking real good, bro. A quick update in the daily, the X3 30i. It's really good. It surprised me. I will say, as time go on, I still do look at like Auto Trader and Facebook Marketplace, and there is a lifted X5 E53 for sale for $5,500 that I really would have liked to enjoy that car as a daily. And on the other side of the fence, Brooklyn Auto Sales just posted a BMW X3 50i, and it's priced pretty good. It's a really clean interior, exact spec I would go for with the white interior. V8 engine. Oh man, like you don't know, I am upset. Oh. It is amusingly slow, I will be honest with you. There's no point to have any sort of launch control or to do any sort of brake boosting or anything in this car, but that's not the point. Now look, I'm not necessarily having the most fun of my life on the back roads, but I mean, it's pretty enjoyable, you know, it drives pretty good. You can take some corners in it. And it's smooth, it's compliant, it's comfortable. Like, it's legit still a freaking BMW. One disappointing thing I can say about this car that I was expecting but didn't really get, the fuel economy is not what you think a 4-cylinder would be at all. It's actually pretty close to like B58 fuel economy. So in the end, fast forward to 2024, this is where it's at for me. When I'm looking for dailies, looking for something comfortable that can get the job done, my little mobile office slash what, I don't know. Also, one thing must have in every single daily, a 60-watt USB-C adapter, 40-watt, whatever you need, so that way when you are editing videos, you can plug it right in and voila. If you want to go a step further, check me out here. Mobile office, full effect. When I want to block the sun, look at this. Perfect, yo. Like homeless Mike, full effect. I can't wait to see the comments on this. But I'm chilling. It's more comfortable than any freaking car I ever had. I can't imagine what the X7's like, or X5. I'd love something like an X5 M50 or X7 M50. I'll get it one day. I'm grinding. I'm working. Oh, man.